Hi guys, welcome back. A few days before, Google Plus has announced that it is going to shut down due to some data leak problems. So, according to many magazines like The Guardian, The Verge, and many other popular blogs, New York Times says that Google found that Google Plus had exposed personal information of over 5 lakh people and decided to shut down the service. Unfortunately, the Google Plus is no more. Google Plus will be no more. So today I'm going to show you how to back up your data, Google Plus data, before it shuts down. So because once after April 2nd, 2019, you'll be not able to download the data again. So let's follow a few steps to download and back up your Google Plus data, including your posts and images, everything. So firstly, navigate your Google Plus page and click on the sign in. Log in with your Gmail account. Once after you log in with your Gmail account, it gives a pop-up here like your Google Plus account is going away from April 2nd, 2019. Downloading your Google Plus content may take some time, so get started before March 31st. Click on this get started or click on any one link for your information. So I'm going to click on this get started now. So if you got any confusion or if you didn't get any pop-up like this, you can click this link. I'm going to include this link in the description section, so you can use that link. Here gives you all the description about all the details about how to download your Google Plus data and save in your local desktop. Follow some instructions, including your plus ones, community streams, and your collections, everything. You can download everything. Google Plus is going to give you a zip file, which includes your image files and CSV files with all the data. So once after you follow all the instructions, it gives you a zip file. So let's follow some instructions here. To download your Google Plus data, you can download an archive of all your Google Plus data at once, including your Google Plus circles, communities, streams, and plus ones. Your Google Plus archive includes your photos and videos from Google Plus. Let's click on this download your data link. All right. So these are some few steps. So what you're going to get is Google Plus ones, which is in HTML format, Google Plus circles, which would be vCode format, Google Plus communities, which would be in multiple formats, including image files and CSV files, and your Google Stream, which would be the newsfeed of Google Plus, your posts, collections, contents, and everything. So click on this next step again. So customize your archive format. You can customize your archive format in any ways. So how would you like to deliver your data? So would you like to save the data in Drive? Would you like to save the data in Drive Dropbox? OneDrive, which is Microsoft's product. Box, which is again an independent file saving storage service. So archive size would be 2 GB, and be prepared with this savage and create archive. So archive is in progress. Just read this message. An archive of 4 products is currently being prepared. Please note that archives may take a long time, hours or possibly days to create. You will receive an email when your archive is complete. All right. So just give it some time in order to download all your files. So if you have many files or many photos, if your Google Plus got your profile got many images, posts, or a lot of streams, collections, so it might take a lot of time. So that is the reason, start it immediately. If you could start it today, it would be much better to save your data. What I'm going to do is just give it some time. It might not take a lot of time to save the data. So it took me 3 to 4 minutes because my data is a bit less comparing to other pages. So I'm okay. So I'm all saved with my files. So what you're going to do is just click on this open in drive. The name starts with takeout and your id.zip. So check your files. So these are my plus ones, which is in HTML format. These are my circles with VCF format, and these are my communities, all the communities which I have created from my page. And these are my streams, which includes photos, posts, and this is going to be my Google Plus stream. You can always check your page using this index.html anyways. So your data is safe now. This is how you have to back up your Google Plus data before it shuts down on April 2nd, 2019. And my suggestion is do it right now and save your data from Google Plus shutdown. Thanks for watching this video, and do comment your opinion on this. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.